Year-round gardening is supported in part by Ace Hardware, Hills Plaza South State College, and South Dorcas Street, Lewistown.
Once you've completed and received your seed order or picked up a packet at the store, there's still more to learn. Reading the seed packet will remind you of many of the things you need to know. Consider light preference. Does this plant prefer full sun, part sun, or shade? Planting depth. Some seeds need light to germinate and must be sown on or near the surface of the soil. Others require a depth of 1/2 or 1 inch. Plant spacing. While we don't want to waste space by planting seeds too far apart, equally, we don't want to crowd them. They'll grow better with a bit of elbow room. Planting schedule. Depending on the brand, the seed packet will either provide a date or a map graphic indicating the date after which it's best to plant. Days to germination. This category lets the gardener know when we can expect to see our seeds poking their heads out of the soil. It's a curb for our impatience and also lets us know if germination has been successful or if we should try again. Hardiness zone. Usually for perennial flowers, this tells us if a plant can survive our Pennsylvania winter. Here in Central PA, we are in USDA Hardiness Zone 6B. And finally, days to harvest. This tells us when we can expect to be able to enjoy the fruits of our labor. A little reading and advanced planning can help fend off any trepidation or buyer's remorse and increase our chances of success. Happy planning!
Ace Hardware, locally owned and operated and a proud supporter of public television. Ace, the helpful place, Hills Plaza South State College, and South Dorcas Street, Lewistown.
Videos like this are made possible by support from viewers like you. If you enjoyed this video, visit WPSU.org to become a member today and help us create more content like this.